I'm Sarah, and today I'll give you all the information you need to know about Cortexi before actually purchasing the product. If you've come to this video because you want to learn more about Cortexi, then pay close attention to what I have to say because I have some very important notices. I also have two very crucial warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to say. The first is that you should be cautious about the website you choose to purchase Cortexi from, since it is only available on the official website. So for your convenience, I've provided the link to the official website below in the description. What is Cortexi? Millions of individuals all around the world struggle with hearing loss, which is a widespread issue. Aging, exposure to loud noises, and genetic factors are only a few of the causes. But there is a remedy in the form of Cortexi, a natural dietary supplement that supports good hearing. It is a natural dietary supplement that helps men and women over the age of 30 maintain their hearing. It is a liquid solution that is packaged in a bottle that is simple to consume. The solution is a concoction of 20 potent, carefully chosen natural components that are crucial for maintaining sound hearing. Over 20 carefully chosen natural substances, all of which are 100% natural and sourced from reliable sources, are used in the mix. To give users good outcomes, these substances are incorporated in precise quantities. The dietary supplement is simple to consume, made from plants, is non-GMO, and does not build habits. Some of the many core ingredients are grape seed extract, resveratrol, ginkgo biloba, and vitamin C. Benefits: promotes sound ear function. It has all natural components that support good ear function, including guarana, ginkgo biloba, and vitamin B12. Prevents injury to the inner ear. Antioxidants found in the supplement can aid in preventing free radical damage to the inner ear. Minimizes inflammation. It can aid in reducing ear inflammation, which may result in better hearing and general ear health. Improves coordination and balance. Additionally, this supplement may aid in enhancing balance and coordination, which may ease daily tasks. You should be aware of a very crucial fact about this product before purchasing it. You may try out Cortexi for 60 days, and if you aren't satisfied for any reason, they will refund your money. I wanted to make this video, in the beginning, to warn you to be cautious about the website you buy Cortexi from, and to also remind you to use the product exactly as directed and take it seriously, because your results will be very different from those of any other person, because your organism behaves in a very specific manner. I sincerely hope that this video was helpful to you and that using Cortexi will significantly enhance your life.